Hi there, I'm Roel, and today I would like to show you how to use 3D scanning for setting up a digital warehouse. When equipment breaks down suddenly, it costs the company a lot of money. By managing your MRO effectively, you can reduce the frequency of unplanned downtime because you'll be able to work proactively. You can make sure you've got the right parts, equipment and staff to keep things moving when and where you need them. As with new equipment, obtaining new OEM spare parts is a major problem. This can often take up to 1 or 1.5 years of delivery time. This is of course unacceptable for critical valves. It is almost impossible to avoid stocking these expensive parts themselves. So having the right part in your inventory can be a tricky thing. Holding too much inventory at one time means wasted money and a lot of storage room. On the other hand, stockouts can lead to costly downtime and you never know how long it will take you to get back up and running again. Either way, it's expensive. But by using 3D scanning, setting up a digital warehouse can help you hit the sweet spot. There are significant cost savings by doing this, less storage space, no risky downtime and a lot of managed inventory with the right parts at hand. The T-Scan Hawk 2 helps me to scan wherever I want. On the facilities, at the customer, in the production, at heights or in confined spaces. The T-Scan Hawk 2 is a very versatile system. Let's take it and make it. We can scan medium-sized parts or we can scan even smaller parts with higher detail. With the satellite mode that is included in the T-Scan Hawk 2, we can scan even a large part in a very accurate way. By the use of 3D scanning, you can create a copy of all available parts and together with a material analysis, you can set up a digital warehouse of all these parts where needed to. In this digital warehouse, you can look for the needed part when doing your maintenance planning and start planning production for this. And remember, if the file is not available, you can always make a digital twin and add it to your digital warehouse as easy as that. So, this should give you a good insight in how 3D scanning can help you to set up a digital warehouse and saving costs. For more how-tos, getting started tutorials, product updates or any other question regarding 3D scanning, please visit handsonmetrology.com. You will find the link in the information section of this video. Thanks for watching, see you next time.